Hi there and welcome to my channel Monu Sam. In today's video I am giving my full, I would say, a very long term review of the iPhone 5s. मैं इस फ़ोन को यूज़ कर रहा हूँ. I purchased this in December 2013. Let me give you a proof of that. This is the retail unit and here it's mentioned, if you can see, this is the camera can't capture, but this is December 2013. I also have one more proof for you guys. Let me show you. This is a pic of me and I clicked this on 29 December. Let me just focus. As you can see, 29 December 2013. मैं इस फ़ोन को 2 साल से ज़्यादा समय से इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ and it's been more than 2 years I'm using this phone. And today I will give you all the pros and cons you want to know about iPhone 5s. And recently I have seen that the price of this iPhone 5s has come down very much. The 16GB model is being selling at 21 or 22,000 rupees. So is it a good buy in 2016? Let's see. सबसे पहले बात करता हूँ मैं कमियों की और the cons. The biggest con I have with the iPhone 5s is that the battery life is really mediocre. बहुत ही एवरेज बैटरी लाइफ है. दिन में 2 कभी 3 बार फ़ोन चार्ज करना पड़ता है. फॉर दैट यू हैव टू कैरी अ पावर बैंक. सेकेंड कॉन इज दिस इज़ अ कॉन फॉर सर्टेन पीपल. आई एम यूजिंग अ 16GB मॉडल एंड इन द स्टार्टिंग आई वॉज थिंकिंग दैट आई वुड मैनेज विद 16GB, लेकिन ऐसा हुआ नहीं. बिकॉज द 1080p वीडियोज यू शूट विद दिस कैमरा आर ग्रेट. एक्चुअली नाउ इवन इन 2016 दे आर वेरी गुड क्वालिटी वीडियोज़. जब आप वीडियोज़ शूट करते हैं तो स्पेस काफ़ी जल्दी ऑक्यूपाई हो जाता है एंड जो एप्लीकेशंस हैं, नॉर्मल एप्लीकेशंस आर क्वाइट लार्ज इन साइज. सो आई वुड से इफ़ यू आर अ लाइट यूज़र आई वुड से ऑप्ट फॉर अ 16GB, otherwise opt for a 32GB model. The other con is that with the latest iOS 9.2 update I'm seeing very I would not say बहुत ज़्यादा, but in some areas like जब मुझे मैसेज रिसीव होता है, so you get a option to reply instantaneously. When I try to reply at that time, then the phone lags. I would say sometimes it freezes at that time, and but it happens only in some very less particular cases. The other con is that this was the first iPhone coming with a fingerprint scanner. I would say it's been 2 years, and now with this fingerprint scanner what happens is that if your thumb is a little bit wet or it's having some sweat, so it won't unlock at that time, but if it's completely dry then it will work. This happens with fingerprint scanner. Next con is the in-ear speaker is not that much loud. ज़्यादा तेज आवाज़ नहीं आती और you need to press it hard in your ears to listen to the other person. One more thing, if you use the phone with the 3G, it used to get hot. I mean, I never seen this device getting hot in any other situation, but particularly in 3G this phone gets very hot in this area near the logo. So I don't know why that happens, but it does happens. But it's not the same case with 2G. So this was regarding the cons. Now let's talk about the pros and the things which I really liked, जो चीज़ें मुझे पसंद हैं जो अभी भी applicable हैं. The first thing is the camera. The iPhone 5s is having, I would say, one of the best cameras in this price range, below 30,000 rupees, and in the video department it shines like a champ. Actually I use my iPhone to record all of my YouTube videos, and I also use this software iMovie to edit them. So actually this is my working machine for now, and it's been performing like a champ. I see lag in some applications, but apart from that 90% of the applications run fine, no problem. And yeah, like if you open the Opera Mini, it does take some time to load. So when you load the applications, I would say yes, it does. It now does take some time to load them. Next good thing about the iPhone 5s, this is running the latest iOS 9.2 update, and for the next 2 years it will get iOS updates, that's for sure, according to me. So my verdict, if you want to buy an iPhone, go for it. It's a compact device, you can use it in one hand, and the great build quality makes this phone really a durable device. So according to me, you should buy the iPhone 5s. If you want to try, if you like iOS, if you want to use iPhone for the first time, definitely go for iPhone 5s. It's a great device. It's durable. It has a great camera. बहुत अच्छी screen है इसकी, and it's an Apple product, so the service will be great. So if you found this video helpful, do press the like button, do press the subscribe button. This is Monu Sam signing off. Have a great day.